Hello, I'm Bev Sharritt, Specialist for Blind and Low Visions, AT, at Pattons. Today, I'm going to demonstrate using an external Wi-Fi camera with an iPad Pro as a video magnification solution for students with low vision. The camera I'm using is a Sony QX10 smartphone attachable lens style camera. Tablet and phone cameras built into the device have become a great tool for students with low vision. Many students use their device with a stand to do both near and distance magnification. But what if you'd like to use a camera placed away from the device? This solution provides a way for the user to control the camera from the device in the back of the classroom, avoiding the clutter of extra equipment on the desk and the stigma that sometimes comes with using a magnifier. To connect the camera, turn it on. When on, the camera sends out its own Wi-Fi signal. On the iPad, go to Settings and click Wi-Fi. So I'm connecting to the camera Wi-Fi. When you connect to this signal and open a viewing app, such as Play Memories Mobile, this student can zoom in and out using a slider bar on the app. They can also take still shots and movies of a class session to review later. I'm using an inexpensive portable tripod for the camera. You can customize your setup with a clamp style or a Gorilla Grip tripod. This lens provides a 10x zoom. You may need a 30x or even a 100x lens to provide enough zoom and picture quality for your student. As with every AT decision, the evaluation of a device should be closely linked to the student's functional vision assessment. Beyond classroom use, the camera could be placed at a school assembly or sporting event to give the student visual access. Given its portability, it could be a mobile solution for field trips. The iPad Pro is available at no cost for checkout from the Pattons Lending Library. The camera will be available beginning March 1st.
Find us by searching Pattons Project on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, or on the web at pattonsproject.org.